Boom, but doing something a bit different today, not metal detecting. I've come out to see something else that I like that's quite interesting. I think it's interesting anyway, and it's steam trains. And today, what we've got in our local area, actually, at Ramsbottom station, is the Flying Scotsman. So, yeah, I like Flying Scotsman. I like the big wheels and I like all the sound and the... I don't know what it is. I just really like steam engines. So, let's go and see if I can see it. This is the train station, and it's been preserved like it was in the old days. It's Ramsbottom train station. It cost me £3 to get a ticket to come on the platform to see the trains, but I don't mind that. £3 I think is quite a bargain. Problem is, they give me a little tiny ticket. It was only that big, and I've lost it now, so I can't go to Aldi and then come back. I'm just going to have to stay here, so I'm going to have to pay another £3. Oh, so with me, I always losing. Train's just come in. It's not the Flying Scotsman. The City of Wells. Look at them wheels. Cool, isn't it? Golden arrow. Must have a load of steam trains on today. I just thought it was the Flying Scotsman, but no. Hiya. Oh, said hiya to the train man. And all the carriages. That's ace. It's going this one in a minute, so I'm going to walk down to the end of the track because I really love the wheels. You can't see the wheels there, can you? Look. They're ace, aren't they? Can't wait to see them going round. Get round down here. Loads of people here. Ooh.
There's a lot of trespassers around down there, all over.
Coming now, coming backwards. I don't know which one this is. It's not the Flying Scotsman still. Back for another 5 minutes and the Flying Scotsman's going to be here. I'm going to be excited to see this one, I really am. Especially when its wheels are going round. I don't know why, it's 3:03 now, but there's no signs of it yet, but it should be here in a minute, and I hope so, because my hands are freezing. I should have brought my gloves. Ooh, come in.
Please stand well back from the platform edge on platform 2.
I've heard it. I can see the steam.
There it is. You see that light coming?
Oh, it's coming. Don't go too fast.
No, it's on going slow. There's no lights on. Give it up in that.
Oh, he's going backwards.
I was going to say this is going back a bit, isn't it?
Yeah, that's why he's got all the heights.
Stupid boy.
Oh, he's going backwards.
Yeah, you don't want that.
No. Got another. Got 2 engines on it.
Got a diesel.
Oh, what a shame. Why did it come forwards? There it goes, Flying Scotsman, backwards. Chucking it down now, got to go home. But yes, saw Flying Scotsman, bit disappointed it went backwards, but never mind. So see you when I'm out metal detecting. Bye!